Hello, I am your guru, but as you can see, lion not meant to wear stupid hat, cause my hair is too big. Bye bye.
Did you know that Merlion is a Chinese? Not very funny. Happy birthday!
You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. My music hits me so hard, makes me say,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Amanda. Amanda, you bro. Happy birthday to you.